Hi, I'm Dr. Diksha Wakmode. I'm an Ayurvedic physician. And as an Ayurvedic practitioner, my passion has always been helping people's true holistic wellness. And today, I want to share a beautiful philosophy. It's the very foundation of how I interpret health and life. That is Panchatatvas. Ancient wisdom tells us that the whole universe and our body that made up of from these five building blocks that are space, air, fire, earth, and water. These elements are in a perfect harmony. We experience vibrant health, but when they are unbalanced, then we start to feel unhealthy, unwell. And that's why we are going to explain that how to keep these elements aligned so you can live your life healthy and balanced. Thank you for here, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. Thank you. Just follow.